People said I'm making the mountain dangerous because I'm blind. That assumption comes from not understanding how adaptive skiing actually works. I'm not blindly skiing and running into everyone. I ski with a trained instructor behind me and a guide in front of me. I stay in between to ensure my safety and other skiers' safety. So blind skiing is actually very safe. There are systems put in place. Sometimes when people say something is dangerous, what they really mean it's unfamiliar. Seeing a blind person ski might feel unusual, but unusual is not the same thing as dangerous. Just because I'm blind doesn't mean automatically I can't ski. It simply means I may need a different way to do it than you. Skiing makes me feel free, that for once I don't have to use my white cane to move around. Me being in the mountain does not take anything from you. I am not taking the space from you. I am sharing the space with you.